Have you ever tried standing up from a chair and felt like your legs just didn't want to cooperate? Maybe you needed to push hard on the armrests. Maybe you rocked back and forth to build momentum. Or maybe you thought, why is this getting harder every year? If you're over 70, you're not alone. But here's the good news. Standing up from a chair is not just about age. It's about leg strength. And today, I'm going to show you simple, safe ways to rebuild that strength so you can stand up smoothly, confidently, and without fear. Let's get started. Section 1. Why standing up gets harder after 70. As we age, especially after 70, our body naturally loses muscle. This is called sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss. The muscles most affected? Your thighs, hips, and glutes. The exact muscles you need to stand up. When those muscles weaken, standing feels heavy, knees feel unstable, balance becomes shaky, and risk of falls increases. And here's something important. If it's hard to stand up from a chair, it often means your overall mobility is declining. But here's the empowering part. These muscles respond very well to gentle training. Even at 75, 80, or beyond, it's never too late. Section 2. The 3 muscles you need to strengthen. To stand up easily, 3 main muscle groups must work together. Quadriceps, front of your thighs. These straighten your knees. Glutes, your butt muscles. These help you lift your body. Core muscles. These keep you stable and upright. If even one of these is weak, standing becomes difficult. Today, we're going to strengthen all 3. Safely. Section 3. The number 1 exercise. Chair sit to stand. Modified. This is the best exercise for seniors over 70. Step by step. Sit in a firm chair, not too soft. Place your feet flat on the floor. Keep them hip-width apart. Lean your chest slightly forward. Push through your heels. Stand up slowly. Sit down slowly with control. Important tips. Do not rush. Use armrests only if needed. Keep your back straight. Start with 5 repetitions. Rest, then another 5. That's it. If you can only do 3, that's perfectly fine. Progress comes slowly, and that's okay. Section 4. Make it easier if you struggle. If standing feels too hard, use a slightly higher chair. Place a pillow to raise the seat. Use your hands lightly for support. Stand near a counter for balance. Remember, the goal is progress, not perfection. Section 5. Second exercise. Seated leg extensions. This strengthens your thighs safely. Sit tall in your chair. Slowly extend one leg out. Hold for 3 seconds. Lower it slowly. Switch sides. Do 8 to 10 reps per leg. This directly strengthens the muscle that pushes you up from a chair. Section 6. Heel raises for stability. Weak calves also make standing feel unstable. Stand behind a chair. Hold the back of it. Lift your heels slowly. Rise onto your toes. Lower slowly. Do 10 repetitions. This improves balance and prevents falls. Section 7. How often should you do this? For best results, 3 to 4 times per week. Not every day. Your muscles need recovery. Within 3 to 4 weeks, most seniors notice. Standing feels smoother. Less knee strain. Better balance. More confidence. Section 8. Common mistakes to avoid. Do not lean too far back. Do not let your knees collapse inward. Do not move too fast. Do not hold your breath. Breathe out as you stand. Breathe in as you sit. Slow movement builds strength. Section 9. Nutrition matters too. If you're not eating enough protein, your muscles won't rebuild. After 70, aim for protein in every meal. Eggs, Greek yogurt, chicken, fish, beans, cottage cheese. Protein helps your body repair and grow muscle, even in your 70s and 80s. Stay hydrated too. Dehydration can make muscles weak. Section 10. Motivation. Don't fear the chair test. Doctors sometimes use the chair stand test to measure strength,
But here's what I want you to remember. Needing effort doesn't mean you're weak. It means your body needs attention. And the beautiful thing about the human body? It adapts at any age. I've seen seniors at 82 improve their leg strength in just weeks, not by lifting heavy weights, but by doing consistent, gentle exercises like these. You can absolutely improve. Section 11. Safety reminder. If you have severe knee pain, recent surgery, dizziness, balance disorders, talk to your doctor before starting. Otherwise, these movements are considered safe for most seniors. Section 12. Your simple weekly plan. Easy version. Monday, sit to stand plus leg extensions. Wednesday, sit to stand plus heel raises. Friday, all 3 exercises. That's it. No gym required, no equipment needed. Just consistency. Standing up from a chair should not feel like climbing a mountain. It's one of the most important daily movements for independence. The stronger your legs are, the longer you stay independent. And independence after 70 is everything. Start small, move slowly, be consistent. Your future self will thank you. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're serious about staying strong after 70, make sure to subscribe, because every day we share simple, safe ways to stay active and confident in your golden years. Comment below and tell me, how many sit-to-stands can you do today? Let's get stronger together.